Jamaican oxtails. It's one of those dishes that feel like home. Slow cooked, rich, and full of flavor. When I buy oxtail, I always look for pieces that aren't loaded with fat. With the price steady at $12 a pound, who wants to pay for all that fat anyway? The butcher at the Caribbean Market in Takoma Park, Maryland usually has the best selection. Fresh or frozen, small cuts, medium cuts, big cuts, all trimmed nicely. Instead of browning the oxtails on the stovetop with browning or sugar, I roast them in the oven, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes until they're brown. It gives me a clean flavor without all the splatter, and the pot stays lighter because some of the fat renders off. Oxtail is full of connective tissues, and when you cook it low and slow, the collagen melts right into the gravy. And that's what makes the sauce silky. But do you know what people don't talk about? How oxtail supports your body in ways you may not expect. Oxtail helps your joints and the lining of your gut. Now, I know tradition calls for butter beans, but I cannot do them. They're just too big. So I use small white navy beans. They have fiber, plant protein, and resistant starch that your gut benefits from. That's culinary medicine hidden in a comfort dish. And the aromatics? Thyme, onions, scallion, garlic, pimento seeds, bay leaf. Usually a Scotch bonnet pepper, but let me tell you, I once left the pepper in the pot by accident and my daughter did not forgive me. So now I just use a few drops of Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. It still gives a comfortable touch of spice without setting anybody's mouth on fire. When everything cooks down, you end up with a pot that's more than comfort food. It's packed with protein, minerals, and fiber. And when you pair oxtail with rice and peas and something green, add a side of fried green plantain, the sweet kind, the plate finds its balance. And that balance is the heart of culinary medicine.
So my mom made oxtails with rice and peas. It's so good. This is like my favorite meal. I mean, there's a lot of meals that she makes that's my favorite, but look, oh my gosh. Tender, flavorful. The rice and peas, in my eyes, made perfectly. Like, I love how she makes rice and peas, and I don't like everybody's rice and peas. Give me a second. Ooh. Now, I don't like too much spice, but I do like the flavor of Scotch bonnet pepper, which she did put in there. She's probably going to be surprised to hear me say this, but you know, you can put in a little more Scotch bonnet. Damn. Well done, Mom. Love you.
This is ancestral food that took care of us long before the term culinary medicine existed. Real ingredients, a slow method that builds deep flavor without anything processed. It's a dish that still knows how to nourish generation after generation. Oxtail might look indulgent, but it's also a reminder that comfort and care can live in the same bowl, in my kitchen, and maybe yours.